Hello to all product fanatics. Today, we are going to discuss about the topic, a crash course on product strategy. Have you ever wondered how successful products stay on track and create a win-win scenario in the market? Well, it all comes down to one thing, product strategy. Today, I am going to take you deep into what product strategy is, why it matters, and how to practice it. If you are a product manager, a startup founder, or simply interested in how products are created, you have clicked on the correct video. So, let's get started. First, let's talk about what is product strategy. A product strategy is your plan of action, a roadmap that links your idea to practical implementation. It specifies what your products aim to accomplish, who it serves, and how it will stand out in the market. Now, let's talk about its significance. A clear product strategy achieves four major goals. First, align your team so that everyone is heading in the same direction. Second, keep your focus on the customer, making sure your product fulfills the actual needs. Third, it gives you a competitive edge, allowing you to do more than just survive in the market. It allows you to thrive. Fourth, it provides you with a clear direction, preventing you from speculating instead of taking calculated risk. Now, let's discuss the importance of product strategy for success. A strong product strategy lays the groundwork for long term success. Here is how it plays an important role. A guiding vision will ensure that everyone is aware of the long term goals and the bigger picture. Second, alignment with business goals. A well designed strategy is related to a company's mission and revenue goals. Third, customer satisfaction. Customer needs are prioritized in a good strategy, resulting in products that people love to use. Fourth, competitive positioning. Staying ahead of competitors requires making informed strategic decisions. Next, making informed decisions. When teams have a well defined plan, they are better equipped to select products. Next is risk management. The probability of failure is decreased by anticipating and prepare for difficulties. And the last is long term growth. Success over the long term growth is the result of well thought out and flexible strategies. Now, let's discuss the key elements of product strategy. So, now let's know what make up an effective product strategy. Here are the core elements you should focus on. Imagine you are developing a product. So, where do you start? First, you need to do is market research. It allows you to understand what your users actually require rather than just what you believe they need. Then define your value proposition. Why should customer choose your product over the competition? Next, make sure your decisions are on track by setting clear goals. Identify your target audience, ensure that you are addressing the appropriate problems. Now, let us talk about the prioritization. You cannot do everything at once, so concentrate on what is truly important. Next is a roadmap keeps everything is in line as you plan the process from concept to launch and beyond. And last and most importantly, don't forget about the feedback loop. Listen to users, adapt quickly, and improve continuously. This is how great products emerge. Now, let's discuss some popular frameworks for product strategy. Now, let's talk about strategy frameworks. These are true and tried techniques that can help you to make better decisions. Here are three of the most successful ones. Want to make smarter business decisions? So, let's talk about strategy. A SWOT analysis can help you determine what is effective and what needs to be improved, which helps you identify your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Thinking about growth, the answer matrix help you decide whether they improve existing products or launch something entirely new. Third is, if you want to stay ahead of the competition, remember Porter's five forces, which analyzes suppliers' power, customer influence, and market competition. You are not just making decisions when you are using these tools effectively, you are making well informed decisions. Ready to level up the next strategy? Let's go and dive into the next section. Let's discuss the adapting to market changes. But here's the thing, no strategy is set in stone. The market is always changing, and your product strategy should be too. Here, how you can maintain your lead. First, keep an eye on market trends. The business landscape is constantly changing, and identifying variations early gives you a competitive advantage. Next, listen to your customers. Regular feedback allows you to understand what is working, what is not, and what they really need. After all, the best insights come directly from the people who use your products. Third, to stay adaptable, iterate quickly and embrace agile methods. Flexibility encourages you to switch as needed, ensuring that your strategies align with real world demands. Next, maintain flexibility and iterate quickly based on insights. Small improvements lead to significant growth, so you can implement changes frequently. And of course, watch your competitors. Understanding competitors' strengths and weakness allows you to position your product and avoid the problems. Now, let's discuss the pre-cap. You can better align your team, maintain customer focus, and outperform the competition with a solid product strategy. To create one, you need to focus on market research, goal settings, and prioritization. Also, remember to adapt. This is the only way to remain relevant. Well, that's it. Your intensive course on product strategy. If you want to know more insights, hit the like button, share, and subscribe. Also, leave a comment with your biggest product challenge if you found this useful. Thank you.